Let me demonstrate how to use access control. Access control lets you decide who on your mesh can reach what. Let's click on this dashboard and there is a tab here to manage access control. Let's click on that. One of the principles of zero trust network access is deny everything and only allow what is needed. So first thing is make this as a deny all. This is a catch all deny all, and then only allow what is needed between the users and devices and services. So I made deny all as a default catch all, and then let's go ahead and add a rule to give access to the services the user needs. So click on this new rule, and the first thing is there are actions, allow or deny. Choose the action based on your need, and there are few things from, to, protocol, and device posture. And in the more options, you can give a optional description for this rule, and you can enable or disable the rule. So let's go with the with action as allow, and then from the from there are multiple options here. Anyone is like a wild card, you allow from anyone, or you can choose a tag. Yeah, what tag does is you can group the multiple devices to a tag and then match based on that tag, or you can simply match based on specific devices as well. So it shows all the devices discovered here, and then you can just match based on that as well. Or you can match based on a specific user. If there are multiple users, it would show all the users and you can match based on that. The next option is IP address based match. So you can, there are some predefined IP addresses. You could go ahead and create one new IP address here, and then you can match based on that. You can also match based on operating system. So these are the operating systems discovered in your mesh network, and you can match based on that. For this demonstration, let me match based on tag, and also let me demonstrate how to create a tag as well. So let me click cancel on this one. So all the building blocks for the rules are can be configured from here. For example, tag here. So let's go ahead and add a tag. Let's say my office. Then here you can configure your office here, right? And then MacBook Pro, and save it. And you can give an optional description as my office devices. Save it. Okay, my office, and save it. So you can also define port groups either from here or also from the inline as well. And similarly, IP addresses, you can create your own IP addresses groups from here as well as from the rule itself. I'll come to the posture sources. So let me go back now to a rule here. Then we demonstrated how to show based on tag. Let's do based on tag from my office, and let's say going into mobile network, right? Or at home. So I want to give access. Here we can give access to all ports or a specific port group, or you can define the ports here. So let's give a port group here. So these are there are some predefined port groups here. You can go ahead and create one port group. Let's say my port group for web access. Web access, you can define 80 and 443 and TCP, right? Save it, and then use that. Okay. Next one is device posture. So we have integration with both CrowdStrike and Microsoft Intune. So you can add a condition here, like by choosing this CrowdStrike here. So we get the score from CrowdStrike, the device score. You can match, hey, only if the device score is more than 75 or 80 you allow access for that device. And also you can match based on this Intune, Microsoft Intune, and only if the device is compliant you can match based on that, and click the save rule.